Were to imagine now attached to the back of these series of floor tiles a wall. What we can now start to think of is that we've got the beginnings of a room. Now, these panels for the moment are opaque. We could imagine that they were see-through, and one way of doing that obviously in this tool is to make those layers transparent. But even without that, if we were to visualize that this plane hasn't changed, then once again, if we were to take our lines through this corner off until we met the horizon, we would have located the vanishing point. Also, we would have located the horizon, and that means that this is our eye level. Now, if we're in a room and our eye level was here, then either two options could have occurred. One is that we're really, really tall in a very, very small room, or two, we're maybe up a ladder or halfway up a staircase, in which case we are near the ceiling. If I change the horizon, you can see now the horizon would be much, much lower, and obviously these angles no longer correspond to these points. If I was to draw this line through that corner until it met the horizon, and if I then drew this line until it crossed that point, we would now know that we are this high. So this is how tall we would be in this space. If I took a line from this point through here, then this would be how our walls would perform. And if I was to take this point through here, and that corner, this again would be where our walls were formed.